the North Sea. So many lambs. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, I'm 14 kilometres into this ride and I've only just got onto a road that's not so deafeningly windy that I can actually have a conversation with you. I am in the glorious eastern county of Suffolk, which is windy. It's the land of flat open fields punctuated with oak trees. It's pretty glorious in the sunshine, I must admit. For some reason though, it has a really strong easterly today. All week actually it's been really, really windy up here. And when it's flat there's really nothing to slow that wind down, so it just tears along. There are so many pheasants in the hedgerow, that's adorable. Probably not for them, because every time they see me they're like, ah! Flying up into the air, squawking away. Oh, there's one in the middle of the road up here. Males are so pretty, but they just have this hilarious air of utter panic about them every time they see anybody. This is the very windy edge of Southwold. It's got a boating lake, it's got crazy golf, it's got a tea room on the boating lake, it's got very brightly coloured beach huts. This is the North Sea. It's looking very much like the North Sea. Tumultuous, brown. Let me see some seals. Give me some seals! This is super cool. It's just like a coastal road through marshes, I guess, salt marshes maybe, alongside the North Sea. It's lovely. Well, this is very genteel. So these marshes have been grazed for centuries. Salt marshes. It's so flat. It's amazing. So I'm in Suffolk for work. I spent the last few days at a beautiful venue just outside of Yoxford. With my company. We're a fully remote company. This is my new job. Been there for a whole 6 weeks, very exciting. And yeah, I thought I'd take this opportunity while I'm up here to do some cool cycling in different places. And boy, do I have some surprises for you in later videos. This is Middleton. It's so quaint. Everything is so quaint. It is lovely. Tried to stop in the Oxford Antique Centre for coffee, but I was too late for their cafe. Whew, outrageous. As lovely as it is around here, I am going to say that the cycling is really tough just because you don't stop pedalling. It's just quite relentless. I don't know, if you live in a flat area, I guess you're really used to it, but let me know in the comments what you think. Like, I know hills can be really hard and they feel exhausting in the moment, but they really break up a ride, whereas this just feels like endless pedaling. Oh, I am tired. All right, that was 58 kilometers of non-stop pedaling, apart from this very moment. No, it was lovely. It's such a beautiful landscape, especially this time